There should be a round of applause for you if you have just recently launched a small business, and you should probably also take a nap. It is a significant accomplishment to launch a firm, particularly if you are still in the process of learning how to handle your finances. Therefore, even if you may be counting on your exceptional products or services to keep your company operating, it is crucial to take into consideration your finances in order to guarantee a consistent flow of revenue. If you are new to the world of managing the finances of a small business, this may appear to be a significant job. After all, you already have a lot of things on your plate with your current responsibilities. In this video, we will provide you with 10 money management suggestions for beginners that will assist you in managing your costs, establishing good financial habits, and laying the groundwork for the long-term success of your business. So before we continue, do subscribe to our channel. Number 10. Make a comprehensive financial plan. In order to acquire a better knowledge of the big picture of your company's finances, the first step is to create a monthly budget that is both realistic and precise. If you do not have one, you run the danger of unnecessary spending, which can be detrimental to your company. Have you been trying to find out where to begin? You can simplify the process of tracking, evaluating, and managing your company's spending by investing in a high-quality expense management tool. This will allow you to create a budget that is more informed, accurate, and proactive. To keep the finances of your company under control, this is only one of the many important money management ideas that you should implement. Let's keep the momentum going, shall we? Number 9. Monitor the expenditures of the company. Finding out where each and every penny goes is of the utmost importance. This makes it much simpler to overspend, which in turn makes it much more challenging to manage the finances of your small business. If you are unsure of how much money you are spending or what you are spending it on, it presents a significant challenge. Conduct regular reviews of all business-related expenditures to ensure that you are staying within your financial plan. This proactive strategy helps to identify wasted expenses and avoids excessive spending from occurring. You may also use software such as Expensify to keep track of and manage your spending. This will allow you to eliminate the need for manual processes and paper receipt books, allowing you to have peace of mind knowing that you are constantly aware of where your money is going. Number 8. Be sure to meet your deadlines. If you fail to meet the deadlines for making payments, you will undoubtedly incur late fees, build up debt, and put your company in a worse financial position. It is possible that you will not have the funds to pay a bill on time if you are unaware about the day on which it is due. This may have an effect on your company's credit as well as your connections with suppliers. By automating the entire process, the bill pay software from Expensify makes the process of paying your bills much simpler and straightforward. You can eliminate the need to worry about deadlines off your list of things to do by scheduling all of your payments in a single location. This will save you the trouble of manually keeping track of each deadline. Number 7. Choose to acquire a business card. When all of your business spending can be charged to a single card, it makes the management of your company's finances a great deal simpler. Establishing credit, automating the process of managing expenses, and improving cash flow control are all benefits that can be gained from providing employees with corporate cards. Furthermore, selecting a company card gives you the ability to have greater control over your expenditures, which enables you to seize opportunities without any feelings of anxiety. You should think about selecting a card that provides cashback possibilities so that you may earn money while you spend, and you should also check out our savings calculator to get an idea of how much money you could save with the Expensify card. Number 6. Separate your budget for your personal life and your business. Do you have any familiarity with the proverb that advises, "Do not mix business with pleasure"? When it comes to the handling of your small business's finances, the same holds true. Your expense reports will be cluttered and your budget will be confused if you combine your personal and corporate cash. This will prevent you from acquiring a clear view of the financial landscape of your professional organization. As was indicated before, beginning this crucial separation with the purchase of a company card is an excellent approach to get things started. You may avoid the laborious effort of untangling your personal expenses from your business budget by keeping all of your corporate spending on a single card. This will save you both time and money in the long run. Number 5. Be responsible with your debt management. Even though it is usual practice to obtain small business loans while beginning a new business, you should make every effort to avoid taking on debt that is not absolutely essential. The high interest rates that are associated with business loans can quickly pile up, forcing you to resort to your savings. Additionally, the combination of many loans and missed payments can have a bad impact on the credit rating of your company. If you want to get any current debt under control, you should make it a priority to pay off high-interest debts first in order to minimize overall costs. You should think about merging several loans in order to simplify repayments, and you should routinely examine corporate expenditure through insights and reporting in order to free up sufficient funds for debt reduction. Number 4. Pre-accounting should not be neglected. There is no one who enjoys going through endless stacks of receipts, keeping track of billable hours, or calculating mileage, but it is something that needs to be done. In accounting, this laborious procedure is referred to as pre-accounting, and it is responsible for laying the groundwork for accountants to perform their duties and ensuring that your company is on track. Choose software that streamlines the process of pre-accounting for you in order to simplify this procedure, reduce the chance of making mistakes manually, and successfully manage the finances of your firm. Within the Expensify app, you have the ability to take a picture of your receipt, which the app will then automatically import, categorize, with or without accounting sync, and submit on your behalf. Number 3. When you make your purchases. Even if it's a lot of fun, spending money on impulse is never a good idea when it comes to managing your finances. Make certain that all of the bills that are important have been paid before you spend money on anything that is not required. Take into consideration making any significant purchases during the off-peak or sale seasons. When acquiring expensive products such as computers or equipment, it is also beneficial to remember that certain business expenses can be written off, which can save you money during tax season. This is because certain business expenses can be written off. Number 2. Diversify the sources of your own money. It is common practice to neglect this piece of advice on money management. However, relying on a single source of income might be problematic. Expanding your business by introducing new goods or services, entering new markets, or forming partnerships with other businesses to engage in joint ventures and broaden your customer base will help you achieve a stronger cash flow. Make sure that you keep the goals of your company and the buyer personas at the forefront of your mind as you progress through this process. When you diversify your business strategies too rapidly or without a well-defined plan, you run the risk of creating uncertainty among your clients, which may discourage them from making any purchases at all. Number 1. Put into practice efficient methods of billing and collecting your payments. At the end of the day, the fulfillment of your customers' financial obligations is the single most important factor in determining the success of your company. The key to ensuring that you are compensated properly and on time is to implement an efficient invoicing plan. This will ensure that you never have to negotiate for a payment again. It is imperative that you send out invoices in advance in order to establish a precedent for fast payments. This provides customers with a sufficient amount of time to calm down and adjust to any snags that may occur prior to the time of crisis. This procedure can be simplified with the help of billing software, which can automatically generate and process invoices, as well as collect money from customers. This finishes today's video. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.